Hello friends, this is Saida Birman from UPSC Aspirate. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala physical map. About the Karnataka, the state has three principal geographical zones. Number 1, coastal region of Karavali and Tulu Nadu. Number 2, the hilly Malendu region comprising the Western Ghat. Number 3, the Palayanur Seema region comprising the plains of the Deccan Plateau. The highest peak is the Mulyanagiri Hills. The two main rivers are the Krishna and its tributaries and Kaveri. Here is the Krishna river. And its tributaries, Don, Rima, Ghatprabha. These are the tributaries of the Krishna river. And the Kaveri. Here is the Kaveri river. And its tributaries. Madiwala Lake is one of the biggest lake, Krishna Raj Sagar Lake, and there is the dam, one of the biggest dam. Shanti Sagar is the lake that climbed to be second built lake in Asia. Now about the Kerala, there is also Baba Budan Hills. About the Kerala, Kerala is a state located on the southwest edge of India. It is a narrow stripe of India and lies between the Western Ghat mountain range on the eastern side and the Arabian Sea on the western side. Kerala coastal belt is relatively flat, teeming with paddy fields, grovel of coconut trees, and heavily crisscrossed by a network of interconnected canals and river. Periyar, the longest river of the state Karnataka, Kerala. Here is the Periyar river. There are many small rivers of the Kerala: Bamba river, Chaliyar river, Chalagudi river. Vembanad, the largest lake in India, in the Karnataka. Here is the lake, Vembanad Lake. Anamudi in Kerala is the highest peak in the Western Ghat as well as the highest in India outside the Himalayas. Now about the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India that has both the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats mountain range, with both meet at the Nilgiri Hills. The Western Ghat dominate the entire border with Kerala, effectively blocking much of the rain-bearing clouds of the southwest monsoon from entering the state. Here is the Nilgiri Hills. Here is the Cardamom Hills. Palani Hills, Shirmulai Hills. These are the hills of the Tamil Nadu. Panchamalai Hills, Javadi Hills, Melagiri Hills in the Karnataka, and these are the hills in the Tamil Nadu. It's divided into 7 archoclimate zones: northeast, northwest, west, southern, high rainfall, high altitude, highly, and Kaveri Delta. Here is the Kaveri Delta. Here is the Kaveri Delta. Here is the Coromandel coast in Bay of Bengal. And here is the Molanbar coast, Western Ghats, and here is the Palk Strait. It's a strait between Tamil Nadu and the Jaffna district of the northern province of the island nation of Sri Lanka. Palk Bay is a semi-enclosed shallow water port between the southeast coast of India and Sri Lanka. Pampan Channel lines. Here is the Pampan Channel lines between the mainland India and Rameshwaram Island, over which a 2.3 kilometer long Pamban bridge is constructed. Here is the Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar is a large shallow bay forming part of the Lagadive Sea in the Indian Ocean. It lies between the southeastern tip of India and west coast of Sri Lanka in the Coromandel Coast region. Here is the Cape Comorin is the southmost tip of the point of the India. Thank you and please subscribe my channel.